What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And today I got this bubbly drink, soda drinks, you know. Very carbonated and very sweet, very tasty, you know, especially when you're a kid, you love one of these, right? But let's check out how much sugar actually in this thing. It says 55 grams, you know, from around that, you know. But what is it actually? How much is it? Is it a lot? Is it not much? How about we're gonna boil this thing out and see what's actually gonna happen? Because when you boil out the water, nothing stays after you boil it out. But if there stays a bunch of sugar, we actually will see how much sugar is left over in one of these. Well, let's get to it. Then we're gonna open one of these. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have shaken it up, but oh well. And grab it like that and put it in there. Just one of this. We're gonna wait till it boils out and see what happens. As you can see, it's starting to get boiled. We're gonna have to wait till it boils out, so we're gonna wait a while. Slowly boiling out, so hopefully it boils out soon. And as you can see, it's almost done. The bucket is a lot dirtier now, but we'll see when it's all the way boiled out. So this is so much sugar from one little bottle of soda. You know what I mean? It's insane. Look how black it is. It gotta be sugar and all these other chemicals and stuff. But so every time you drink a little bit of soda, you pretty much eat all the sugar and all the stuff, whatever inside of it. So I put it away from the fire and look at this stuff. This is straight up sugar. Look at this. It's burnt, but this is so much crap. It's just from one little can. Imagine. So next time you wanna drink soda, think of that video, and you know, this is how much sugar and all that kind of stuff you actually drink every time you drink one little bottle like that of soda. But imagine if you drink 2-liter bottle. Well, why imagine? Let's just boil it and see how much junk is gonna be in there. So each bottle have 500 milliliters. So 2 of them is 1000 milliliters, and 1000 milliliters is a liter. So if we got 4 of this, that's 2 liters. As you can see, full of this. And now we're gonna wait till it boils out and see how much sugar we're gonna have left with. Okay, as you can see, it's have been boiled out a lot, and we still have to wait another like 10-20 minutes and we'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna mix it up, and you see now it's boiling so weird because it's so thick. So we're gonna give it a little bit till it's gonna get even darker. You see how much it's smoking because all the sugar is burning, and you see how much sugar there is. Oh, looks like I overcooked it. Shoot. But you know, this is why you gotta be careful. This is what happens when you overcook the sugar. Look how much shit is in there. Look how much sugar in there. Isn't it crazy? Of course it's burnt sugar. So this is how much sugar left over in a soda drink, in 2-liter soda drink, soft drink. If they have a bunch of sugar in there. So if you boil it, you see how much burnt out sugar left over, and it's a lot. And if you drink it that every day, 2 liters, it's really bad for you. So that's a cool experiment. So next time you actually know how much sugar you're gonna drink, so it's for you to decide either you wanna drink it and you don't care, or drink or not drink it because it's more healthier. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think, comments below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, links in description, and I'll see you next time.
Begin to make the ketchup bottle swell up and pop. Holy crap. You should open it and see how much it comes, and they're going to use it. Oh my god.
put too much. Put too much ketchup.
Dude, just open the top and aim it to the ground.